Hello and greetings, everyone. Brian Stovall, the Tech Accountant, here with the Brico Group Incorporated and the TechAccountant.com. And again, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, the giving season, the holiday season. And if we haven't forget, it's also the tax planning season. Yes, it is, people. And essentially, if you are one of the taxpayers out there that is thinking about giving to a charitable organization this year, I hope this brief video can give you a little more information in helping you decide which charities you want to give to. Now, recently the IRS sent out a list of charitable organizations, nonprofits, and what have you. And basically, the list is called the Automatic Revocation of Exemption List. Essentially, this is a list of nonprofits and tax exempt status entities whose failure to file their informational returns has caused them to basically not be nonprofits or not be charitable organizations. Now, you can get this list in Acrobat or Excel, and it's broken down by every state. And as you can see, it's a pretty exhaustive list. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was close to 500,000 or so entities that are supposedly on this list and have lost their exemption status. Again, this list is a list of entities that have lost their exemption status. So that means that any charitable contributions, that be monies, time and effort, clothing, anything that you have given, you will not be able to claim that as a charitable contribution on your Schedule A itemized deduction list for taxes for 2012. So this would be a great place to start and to look and see if your potential charity or nonprofit is on this list. Another place that the IRS has is the actual publication 78, and this is a cumulative list of organizations that are eligible to receive tax deductible charitable contributions. And what you can do here is you can actually search online. You can actually get the publication, or you can actually do a search online. I'll go ahead and click on one now to show you how it works. First, you use your search queries. It can either include, the name can include or start with. So I'll just put includes. We'll just put in a generic term like American. We'll search all states instead of specific city or state, and we'll do search. And as you can see here, here is a list of every state charitable organization that has the term American included in its name. And if you look out here to the far right, you can see these codes here. These codes actually give you a little more detail about the organization. If I click on one, it'll pop up and give you a brief bit of information. Code 6 means an organization described in Section 170C of the code other than a charity. And let's take a look at another code. We'll look at code 4 here for this one. And code 4 is a private foundation, generally with a 30% deductibility limitation. And typically the codes will give you the deductibility limitation of the particular organization. So that also helps you in a tax planning area where you will know, potentially based off other factors with your tax position, how much of the charitable contribution you will be able to deduct. So these are two really cool places that you can look. Again, that's publication 78 on the IRS website, and there's also the automatic revocation of exemption list, which is in an Acrobat or Excel file for each state that you can take a look at. And I hope this helps you out. Again, this is Brian Stovall, the Tech Accountant with the TechAccountant.com and the Brico Group Incorporated, giving you a brief tax tip that will hopefully help you during this tax filing season. Happy filing season, everyone. Have a great day.